'cause my life is dismissed. I keep searching for my bliss. It took days to finally start writing songs, but now it's begun. I go oh 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 oh. I go oh 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 oh. I sing along. I keep pushing myself now, dig deeper. I knew sound more than ever before. Keeps repeating my phrases to see if it changes rules I've gone before. Like I couldn't get over, couldn't get over, couldn't get over you. Couldn't get over, couldn't get over, couldn't get over you.
I'm on my way upstairs to the Airbnb. I am dead tired and my head is hurting and everything else. So I'm looking forward to getting some good sleep. Honest to God. Just reached inside. It's arguably the cleanest, off the bat, the cleanest Airbnb I've been in so far. Like, I'm wilding about how clean this place is. Like, everything spotless. But then again, the cleaning feels like, but it shows. It shows. The place is spotless. The place is aesthetically pleasing, and I like it. So that's a +1 for me. I'm going to now try get some food and just sleep, because your girl is tired, your girl has come from work, your girl is exhausted. But look at the place. Look at the place. It looks really nice, don't? Looks really nice. Tomorrow is going to be a full content creating day, and hopefully I can open it here so that the light comes in. If I don't get any light from my sit down videos, then I'm going to have to go find a ring light. So I mean, I'll figure it out, right? So yeah, I'm gonna go and take a shower and then eat some food, probably watch a show on Netflix, and fall asleep. This is going to be my catch you back tomorrow outro.